Gordy! This package just came in. It's addressed to you. The contents say, bird puppet.
It couldn't be. Come on, let's take it in the other room.
I can't lift it. You lift it.
Alright, I'll get it. Come on. There we go.
Gordy, what's in the package?
Well, you know how Eddie recruited his friend Henry to join the puppet troupe, and then Burke's old buddy Leo Livingston came and joined the troupe? Well, I figured that sort of left me entitled to bring one of my friends to join the troupe. Is that okay?
The puppet troupe just keeps growing, doesn't it? Well, I have no objections. If he's entertaining and friendly, then we'll let him stay.
Alright. He's in here someplace. Hey Cameron, mind using your magic to open this thing up?
Yeah, alright, let me just get my wand.
Better get back, Chester.
Package open Magito. Whoa. I live. Well, now I know how Gordy felt the one time when I startled him when I first joined the troupe. Greetings, world! My name is Nai the Parrot, and I'm here to express joy and enthusiasm to all those who view me. Which, I believe is called the David Quesal Puppet Troupe, right? Right?
Oh, Nai! You sure do know how to make an entrance, my friend.
I go out with a flare wherever I go. Ain't that right, Gordy? My old friend. Good to see you.
Well, Cameron, what do you think?
Okay, he's got a good look about him. He's got an enthusiastic personality. Alright, he's in. I dub the Nai Parrot as Puppet Troupe member number 40. Yeah! Alright, right? Woo! Alright, time for me to get acquainted with everybody. Number 40, I got 39 new friends to make here. Yeah.